nice and beautiful Las Vegas, and we've got some great tips for you today. Great content. So stick around. We're going to do the comps first, and let me find them. Oh, it's been a busy morning. Busy morning, but we love busy. Let me go get them. There we go. It's the 21st. Show them in the stream, and here they are. There they go. Wow, we listed 89 homes over the weekend, 111 altogether with condos, high rises, and townhomes. So that's a good thing. We're selling 125 homes a day this month so far, and that means we have 21 days of inventory based on the total number of availables. Let's see if there's anything remarkable today. Investors, same 44 sales a day. $1 million homes, 4 1/3 a day. We do have 518 single family homes, 450 and under, which is good. Kind of the sweet spot of our market, the median. So that is a good thing. Anything else remarkable today? I don't think so. We have no closings because Saturday and Sunday, of course, no closings. So, oh dear. Put $5 in the jar. Yeah. So today we're going to talk a little bit about content. And content is something that the reason I think most people don't do more video is because they really don't know what to say, or they want to make sure, have confidence that what they are saying is relevant or will hook people. And so I have, which I will make available, I have 261 days of content ideas. So that's one idea for every weekday of the year, just to get you thinking. So and I group them. I've got educational, and it's all educational. I named it all. Real estate topics. Okay. So number one is series, best of the neighborhood, the top 5 coffee shops, pizza, and gyms. So now, yes, that's content. You can go in your car with your phone in a neighborhood and show the different styles of the homes with your video, and you're talking. You can get out of the car and walk and stop that video. You can go to another street where maybe there's a listing or something you want to present and stop. And then you want to drive to maybe a close by Starbucks or a pizza place or a fitness center and do clips. Now, all of this can only take an hour. You have to, of course, plot what you're going to do before you go. And then you say, are you interested in the Paseo in Summerlin? It's a beautiful place to live. Let me show you. And people, if you do that consistently, people will want to watch you. Oh, yeah, what is Krista going to do today? What is she going to tell us about tomorrow? Or what is she going to do next week? Whatever your consistent pattern is, they were going to start looking forward to it. And we're going to talk more and more this year about YouTube. As I learn more about it, I'm going to teach you more about it, because YouTube is owned by Google, right? And that's why it's so important that you have your Google business page spiffed up. Now, let me just go back to my 261 days of content ideas. The thing of it is, everything you do needs to go across all the platforms. YouTube, you upload that to YouTube. You upload that to your Google business page. You take the words, translate them. You can use there's rev.com, translate your video, and then you have a blog. Then in the blog, you embed the video, whether you wanted to go. I would put it on my website. If I had an agent formula website, I just go in there and write a blog, put it on my website, send it out as an email with links back to my website. And so now you've got it going out an email. You've got it on your blog, on your website. You've got it on YouTube. You upload it to Instagram. And you also put it on Facebook and LinkedIn. That 1 hour that you did that day goes across all those platforms. And then guess what? You can also do that again on Friday. If you do it on Monday, do it again on Friday to the platforms, because not everybody's watching everything all the time. This has got, we've been talking about this for 775 shows, but this has got, what I've seen over the past 4 years is that people are really doing this, and the people that are really doing this are really making a difference in their business, and they're modifying their business plan to include things like this.